So right now I'm going to try this radar, see if it can pick up a DJI drone. It is connected. And I'm going to fire up the drone right now, see how long it takes to detect it. Wow, that was really fast. I mean, as soon as I launched that drone, bam, there it is. So check that out. So as I fly the drone around, you can see it's moving. For grins and giggles, I'm going to fire up my Mini Pro 4. See what happens. And of course, I had to show my washing machine, my wife's washing machine connect. I mean, that's really cool. And I mean, it was like instant. Okay, so speed, altitude, distance. There's a lot of data there. Look, I guess I can make notes. I can export the track log. Give me just a second to connect my Mini 4. Should have been more prepared, but I was not. And I'm still impressed with how, I mean, that was just so fast. I mean, obviously I don't have a lot of experience with this stuff, but that was really cool to me. Takeoff permitted, so I'm launching the Mini 4. So now you can see my Mini 4 is in the air. Oh, okay, so it's showing the pilot location. So that's pretty cool. It's obviously off a little bit because it shows one controller is way out here. It may update where this one is actually pretty accurate. That's where I'm at right at this moment. The other controller is showing off out here. So to put out that Mini 4, and then the Air 3. Man, that is so cool. So it doesn't say Mini 4. I don't know why. Where this one says Air 3. So look, you can mark it friend or foe, neutral. Cool, so drone will automatically be marked as friend for future detections. Of all things, I have a little Neo 2 that I might try to launch just for fun. I do struggle with this thing, trying to figure it out. If it picks that up, I'll really be impressed, because that thing is a little tiny thing. 17 minutes ago. So I am picking it up. So I am showing 3 drones. Those 2 smaller drones is not really showing up as an identifier, but I am picking them up. I don't want that. So there you are. I have the Neo 2, the Mini 4, and the Air 3 launched. I have 2 Mini 3s. I had to go get them and get them launched too, but yeah, that'd be a bit much. So I don't know if it's showing. So I'm guessing that this, because this has no controller on the Neo 2, the way it's showing up, it's kind of as the pilot. So being able to see rotary wing, drone, the drone ID, that's the Air 3. That is cool. So my Mini's still out here. So there's data, speed, heading, distance. All that. That is super cool. Good job, GotTak. Oh look, I can send this data to another user. I should have had my buddy Dave up in New Jersey log on so he could see he's connected to my server. But yeah, showing 3 different drones at one time. So that is pretty sweet. All right, I'm gonna land these things and shut this off.